Kensington Metropark in southeastern Michigan is a special place for a unique encounter with wild birds who will eat right out of your hands. Hot summer afternoons are not the ideal time, as food is aplenty for these wild animals, but we went anyway and held our arms up until they were weary and knelt on the ground until we were nearly frustrated. The chipmunks took full advantage of our kindness, and just when we thought the birds would never come, the magic began. Everyone stay still. Got it.